good baby. Oh, who likes to get his diaper changed? Who likes to get his diaper changed? Who has the cutest little belly button? Oh, yeah. Joe does. Joe does. I love my little Joe. Yes, I do. Oh, I love my little Joe. Hi. Hi. Can you give the camera a little smile? Just a little smile. Yeah. Yeah. Hi. Yeah. Hi, Jeff. Hi. Hi. Okay, let's change that diaper.